welcome to One Man's Collection. Today I'm looking at a few Matchbox moving parts, actually two moving parts and one boxed 2020 Corvette C8. Found these at my local grocery store actually, yeah. And been collecting a few of the Audis over the time, and it's been my first F-150 in the Matchbox. I think I've got one or two of the later model ones in the Hot Wheels series. So I'm going to actually open these. I will start with the 1994 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. This has an opening bonnet, hood and tailgate. Not much else to it on the back there. I think, and I saw this, I think this will actually go really well in a diorama that I've pretty much got most of it together. I just need to glue some stuff down, but for a garage workshop. And in that, I can't pull it over at the moment because nothing's glued down, but in that one I've got the Ford Mustang with its open bonnet for workshop thing. I think that's actually good for the diorama. So bonnet's up, hood for Americans, so that it simulates being worked on. Well, this one does the same thing. Let's get this out of here. I think it's actually a nice model too. Matchbox is coming along quite well with their quality. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's all right. Got some print on the side there. Ford badge on the back. Don't know what that says actually. Could be the lightning. I'd actually say the word lightning. I can't read it with my glasses like that. Actually there, a bit like that could be easier to read. I have to have a look when I zoom in on the computer. So apparently this comes down the back. Hey, look at that. Easy. Oh, this is actually a good model. I like this. And the front comes up. Oh yeah, there we go. Ah, we don't have a completely black engine either. Look at that. They've actually painted parts of it. Get a shiny light in there. There we go. Oh, well done. Actually, I don't know why they're all white on top. I guess that's meant to be some writing. Actually, there is some sort of writing on top of the another lightning on top of the engine block there. Yeah, don't know. I don't know if that's 100%. Oops, sorry, I banged the camera there. Don't know why it's quite got that much print on the engine, but happy to have that in my collection. Underneath we have a very silver base. So the 1994 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. That is hard to read in. There we go, that's probably easier. And I can't read that copyright there like that. Keep moving around. Yeah, I like that. I think that'll go really well in my Ford workshop. We'll leave the box one to last, and we'll go and have a look at the Audi. Now I do have a bunch of Audi in mostly Hot Wheels, but there's a few I picked up in the Matchbox over the last year or so. This one's got some gold rims. It's a bit of a purplish colour to it. Push this out, I think. There we go. I don't remember what part was opening in this. The rear. Okay. We'll start with the front. Yeah, that looks good. Well, I actually don't mind those wheels. The gold wheels look really good with a purple paint job. And it's got a bit of a sparkle to it too. So very nice. Sunroof at the front. Both windows open. Yep. Front and left Windows are open, got a grey interior. The rear end, well done. Now, pop the back up. How do we pop the back up? Get a fingernail in there. No, let's pull it up at the wing part, or the deflector. Oh, that does not go up very high. It does in there, on the picture there. So let's try that again. It seems to be catching for me. Yeah, see, I can't actually get that one to go up any higher at the moment than that. I'm worried I'll break it. Yeah, it won't come out and up. Car looks great. I'm not going to leave it open. Actually, it's got stuff in the back of it. Can we get that to focus? Probably not. Let's hold it there and get that light again. All grey, but luggage and bits and pieces. But I can't for the life of me get that to go up any higher. Now, I don't know if I'm doing anything wrong or if my vehicle is not formed properly. I don't really want to take it apart. That one's easy to read. 2023 Audi RS 6 Avant from 2022. I don't think I'm necessarily going to have that open all the time though. And I am going to put an Audi display setup as well, but I can't get it to open like that. That's just not happening. And I'm also not going to keep these, so I'll chuck those ones out. Box 2020 Corvette. Local supermarket again. Much cheaper. It's actually on discount. Much cheaper than the moving parts on card. Which is understandable, no moving parts. Nice and green. Very green. Massive wheels though. Massive wheels. Looks almost too chunky there. Don't know, I have to compare it with the real car. Could do with a little more detail in here, maybe some black on those front end there, but the lights are done, the front badge is on there. Okay, that's good. The rear is done. And Envy number plate. Is that a California number plate? Probably. Corvette written across the back. You can see the engine inside. It does have a little bit of a green metallic fleck to it. It's a very light green. I think on my camera it's coming out more of a darker green. It's actually more of a lime green. Yeah, more of a lime green. Got windows left and right, so they're not open. Underneath, 2020 Chevy Corvette. It's a 2019, so I'd say it's just a recolor. I don't think I've picked up any of these Corvettes in the Matchbox. Just haven't seen them. But I got them in Hot Wheels, not the C8 though, the older ones. Anyway, quick open and show off. That one doesn't belong there, but we'll go into the back into the workshop diorama, which I will get on my channel as soon as I can glue some of the things down and actually transport it over to this recording table. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Cheers. Bye.